Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to see what is inside my gold card. What's inside your gold card? What's inside all of our gold cards? So today, let's go ahead and open this sucker up and see what's inside the American Express gold card. And full disclosure, this card is not active. This card is a throwaway card, so it is not an active card. See, this is really hot. Here we go. Let's take a look and see. Ouch, 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 ouch. Ah, that's hot. So here's what's inside the American Express gold card. I'd like to weigh it. All right, so now I found a scale. So now let's go ahead and weigh it. I have it set to grams. It even sounds like metal. That's all metal, baby. All right, so we have 10 grams. And then with the back of the card, which is the plastic piece, we have a 15-gram gold card, which is standard. The other gold card, or before, I've weighed it in the past, and yep, sure enough, it was 15 grams. So by itself, 10 grams, just metal. And just so you know, it's metal. Imagine throwing the card down at a restaurant and you get nothing but metal. Now that sounds like an Apple card. Yeah. And I've done other drop tests with this card, and this is what it sounds stick. So imagine. So let's go ahead and pop this out. All right, so there you have it, folks. There is the inside of the American Express gold card. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. I know this was ridiculous, but I was thinking about this as I was driving the other day, and I was like, I wonder what's inside this thing. Let's take it apart. I've always wondered. So stay tuned for the next one. Again, if you haven't done so already, like and subscribe to the video. I really appreciate it. It helps out the channel. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.